Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary. In today's video, I'm going to review the Cetaphil Moisturising Lotion. I make a lot of skincare reviews on my channel, so if you're interested, then please make sure that you're subscribed so you'll be notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Coming to the review of the Cetaphil Moisturizer, this product comes in 3 different quantity. 100 ml one costs 375 rupees. It also comes in 250 ml of quantity, which costs 880 rupees, and the bigger size comes in 500 ml and it costs 1195. This moisturizer has a very basic packaging. It comes in this plastic bottle with a flip open cap, but the 500 ml quantity comes with a pump packaging. The texture of this product is a little bit thicker. It's like a thick moisturizing lotion. This is the complete ingredient list of this moisturizer. It contains a lot of basic moisturizing ingredients like glycerin and some other humectants and occlusives. This entire formula is fragrance free. Now I want to share some of the claims that they have made, also listed as benefits on their website. So they say that this formula is designed to retain skin's natural moisture barrier. Powerful natural ingredients such as macadamia nut oil and glycerin locks in skin moisture and protects the skin. Non-comedogenic and fragrance-free, non-greasy formula, dermatologically tested. Now it's time for the overall review of this product. So one of the claims that they have made states that this is dermatologically tested and it is non-comedogenic, which is very true because all of the ingredients that they have used in this product would be very suitable for people with sensitive skin as well, because they haven't added anything that could be potentially irritating to some sensitive skin people. A lot of dermatologists also suggest Cetaphil products, and I wanted to try this product since a while and finally got to try them. So it's a good moisturizing lotion. One of the things that I want to mention, that the formula, they also say in the claims that this is non-greasy, and it is very true. The formula is non-greasy, but I wouldn't recommend this to people with oily skin because it was a little bit too heavy for my skin. My skin is extremely oily and acne prone too. It did not irritate my skin, but it was a little bit too heavy and it caused my skin to become more oily after a while. So this would be more suitable for dry skin, and I think they don't claim that this product is suitable for all skin types or for oily skin. This particular product is mostly for dry skin, because the entire formula is a little bit too occlusive, and it would be a bit too much for oily skin. I found the texture of this moisturizing lotion a little bit similar to the Neutrogena one. Even the ingredients are very much similar, but the Neutrogena one, they formulated that moisturizer mostly for oily to combination skin, so that one would work more for people with oily to combination skin because of moisturizer extremely lightweight. Also, there would be a lot of people who don't like fragrances in body lotion, so this you can also use as a body lotion as well, and they've even mentioned this on the packaging that you can use it on the face as well as on the body, and it would work really well for that. In case you like using fragrance free body lotions, then this is a good option for you. So overall, this is a very good moisturizer. I would recommend this, but I would recommend this for people with dry skin, and people with dry and sensitive skin would like it. But if you have oily skin, you can also use it as a body lotion if you like fragrance free products. So that is all from my overall review of the Cetaphil Moisturising Lotion. I hope you found this review to be useful, and if you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you're subscribed for more such skincare reviews, and you'll find a lot of these videos from the description box below. And that is all for today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.